Alright guys, gotcha zoomed in on my Brown & Sharp 13 cylindrical grinder. I'm making a mandrel to I'll explain it later, to measure the bores of that casting for the Hendey. I want this to be a dummy shaft that goes in between the bearing bores, where the bushings used to go, which I'm trying to convert to needle bearings, whatever. I want to get a mandrel where I can just not press fit, but a running push fit of this shaft. And right now I'm a thou over 7/8, yeah, maybe a little less. And I want this to be just barely a push fit, maybe even just a hard slip fit. Because I want to chuck this up in a 7/8 collet and spin the casting, rotate the casting in the lathe to assess the face run out of the casting. So it's kind of hard to explain, but here we are. So I've been grinding the shaft, I got it straight. I'll do more video on that later. That end right there where the ink is right at 875 and maybe 3/10. I don't know. Let me measure this thing. I'll show you. .875 and 1/2. Now this now if you look here where I'm at, .875 and 4.5. So I got to take off basically 4/10 because the inked part just barely starts in the one bore. 87500. So that's, like I said, the inked part, and this is all straight, and the inked part was tapered down a little bit. It just barely starts. I had it out of the centers. I checked the part, the casting, and it just barely fits. So I'm going to take off 2/10 and show you guys what's up. You turn the wheel on, and then I'll turn the workhead on. There's the wheel. There's the work. I'm going to get in the inked area. I'm going to feed in 1/10, 2/10, and I'll take a pass. You may not even see sparks. Oh, the grinders, it's going to hit the headstock. Hold on. Maybe not. It's the viewfinder of the camera that was going to run into something. Let me see. Great. I just bumped the stop and it did not run into it. Yeah, I got the viewfinder angled up. All right. So I've got a VFD, as you can maybe tell, on the wheel head. I'm right on 2/10 over. Let me go one more tenth. There's 1/10, guys. Let's see if it hits the marker. Not really. I think I know I need to take off that marker. I just feel it. Let me take another tenth after this. Be real careful hitting my stop. I'm gonna come in another 10th. That's all I dare. I wish it was taken off that marker, but it's another 10th. I'm gonna measure it after this. The marker doesn't lie because it just barely started, maybe a 1/16 into the bores where the cast iron housing is, on the cast iron housing. Probably not too many cylindrical grinding videos on YouTube. Alright. I wonder where I'm at. I'm just like half a tenth over. Right there. Well, it's not hot. Let me take it out of the centers and let me try it, but I think I'm going to end up putting it back in the centers. See that gooey CMD center lube in there. Alright, bring you back.